Hello friends, this is Mira Johnson. I'm a holistic life coach and pamper chef consultant, and I want to stop by and say hello to everybody, my wellness seekers, and I want to show you a wonderful product that I don't know whoever invented this. I hope they're enjoying the fruit of their labor, but this is the Pamper Chef Ice Pop Maker, and it's amazing. This little gadget, you could place it in the freezer for 24 hours, and then once you bring it out, you can mix your favorite flavors, and with the pops, as I show in the video, you can make your pops. And the wonderful thing about this, and why I'm so excited, is because I can make my own flavors and I don't have to have the preservatives and the chemicals that are added to the regular ice pop that you find on the stores. And also, if you're vegan, you could make fruit pops, and you could use almond yogurt, almond milk yogurt, which I used in one of the recipes. And then when that was done, what I did, wrap them in plastic paper so I could have them individually wrapped. See that? And I made a coconut milk. I made a blueberry with the blueberry almond milk yogurt, and I made, my favorite is the pomegranate or what we call granada juice with the seeds. So I have instructions on how to make them. Sorry for some of the mistakes I made, but it's a trial and error. It's the first time I use it. But if you want to find it, I'm gonna post a link to our Pamper Chef website, and you can find all these wonderful products there. Contact me if you would like to host an event, and we'll be happy to help you. And please try this, because if you don't want to eat the junk that is in the stores and you want to make your own, this is the best. This is what they look like. I took a bite. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. They're delicious, refreshing for the summer. Great way to entertain the kids. You could actually make, have the kids help you do this. This is a great project for them as they learn about the ingredients that they're using. If you're entertaining a couple of friends, I was able to make about 3 batches with it. Once it was in the refrigerator or the freezer for 24 hours. And what I did was I cleaned it and I put it back in the freezer in between batches. So find out more on our Pamper Chef website, and I hope that you really enjoy this. The Quicksicle Maker Kit comes with everything that you see here included. Here, the spatula and my tempered glass bowl are separate. I'm just showing you how I have my setting ready when I'm starting to mix my flavors. The mixing cups give you the exact marks on whether you want 1, 2, or 3, and I only used coconut sugar for mine, and it was about this one. At the end of the video, on the credits, I have the measurements. The little key, what it does, it helps you pop them up complete. So you're gonna take it down until you hear a click, and once you hear a click, go the opposite way, and you could pull them out, and they will be perfect. The cups that come in the set allow you to set your pops so the kids can grab them and not spill them, and at the end they could drink the juices. See how I use the key again to pull them out? It's so easy to do. And with the quick freezing technology, I was able to make 3 rounds on the flavors that I'm going to share the recipes at the end. See how easy they pop out? And see, you could use the cups to sit them, so when the kids get done, they're able to drink them. So easy. I'm telling you, whoever invented this is a genius. Now I'm mixing my second batch here, and I did it right there on the cup. See, you place your sticks and then pour your container. Now your liquids are going to start freezing as soon as you pour them in. So one thing that I did when I made the blueberry, I should have poured one and added the blueberries on each one of them. So I had to push them through. This is the pomegranate one, and it's delicious. This is my favorite one. So I poured one and I started putting the seeds in. I poured the second one, then I added more seeds to it. And then when I poured, I did the same thing with the third one. I added my juice with the coconut sugar, and then added my seeds to it, and within seconds it starts freezing. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a must-have in your kitchen. It's a great entertaining tool and wonderful to teach kids the value of nutrition while they eat sweet treats. Yes, it's delicious.